Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm Jen with Slingmods.com, and today we have our ZSW floorboards for the Can-Am Spyder F3 LImited. Now, one of the nice things about the Spyder F3 LImited model is that it comes equipped from the factory with driver floorboards. Today, we're happy to announce that we now offer the ZSW Floorboard Overlays to add a little bit of spice to those factory floorboards. They're constructed from a dual-layer 11-gauge steel. The bottom layer is available in a variety of different colors, while the top layer is powder-coated with a black textured finish to provide contrast and to stand up to the elements. The boards are available in a variety of different design configurations as well. We have the Spyder series shown here, but we also have the American Eagle series, HoneyComb series, and a custom option for those of you that would like to add your own custom text or logo. These boards overlay the factory floorboards, adding a very custom and unique look. They're made in the USA and include all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. Without further ado, allow us to walk you through the install process on our Shop F3 LImited.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 bolts on the underside of the factory floorboard. Please note that the factory hardware will not be reused. Then remove the rubber foot pad. Use a drill and a 15/64 drill bit to drill through each of the 4 factory holes on the underside of the rubber foot pad. Make sure your drill bit is positioned straight as you drill to ensure proper bolt alignment on the next step. Clean away any debris and reinsert the foot pad back into position. Lay your new floorboard into position so that the 4 holes in the floorboard align with the holes you drilled through the rubber foot pad. Use the supplied hardware and push 1 bolt through each hole. After all bolts have been inserted, thread on the included lock nuts onto each of the 4 bolts, finger tight to start. Please note that the holes on the underside of the floorboard are too small to fit a socket, so you'll need to use a flathead screwdriver to apply tension to the nut as you tighten the bolt with a 3mm Allen wrench from the top side. You'll need to use this method for all 4 bolt positions. Now repeat these installation steps for the floorboard on the other side of the bike.
And that's all there is to it, folks. Now, if adding custom floorboards to your Spyder F3 LImited is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for yourself. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.